teachers in the tuition. First, very strict.
Okay, so students, today we are going to discuss the crop production management. Okay, so actually I have discussed and I have revised this chapter, you know na? And today you have to answer some questions. And don't think that I will start from the first roll number. No guys, today I will start from the between. किसी से भी पूछ सकती हूँ आज मैं, ठीक है ना? और अगर आज आपने ड्रामा किया कि मैम इसमें डाउट है, मैंने पिछले 5 दिनों से मैं एक ही चैप्टर पे हूँ, ओके? और आज अगर किसी ने नहीं बोला ना तो रियली आज सबके पेरेंट्स को कॉल जाएगा, ओके? और ये जो आप लोग पूरे दिन जो आप YouTube और Instagram स्क्रॉल करते रहते हो, इससे अच्छा अगर किताबों के पेज स्क्रॉल किए होते तो क्या आपको कुछ आ जाता? तो आपके रिटन टेस्ट तो मैंने चेक नहीं किए क्योंकि वो चेक करने के लायक ही नहीं है। तो अभी मैं आपसे ओरल पूछूंगी, हर एक बच्चा आंसर देगा, समझ जाएंगे ना? ओके, सो फर्स्टली आई वांट आंसर फ्रॉम यस निमेश, गेट अप, टेल मी व्हाट इज क्रॉप। निमेश, आई एम आस्किंग समथिंग फ्रॉम यू। ओके, यू सिट डाउन। Stand up. आपका हो गया, पता चल गया मुझे। Okay, so yes, Rupesh, you get it. Tell me what is crop. You can tell me ना, because आप तो सबसे ज़्यादा doubts पूछते हो। अब आपका doubts panel मैंने ऑफ कर दिया है। अब आप आंसर पैनल में आ जाओ थोड़ी देर। Tell me. ये आपको पता चल गया कि आप लोग का स्टैंडर्ड के कल अगर टेस्ट नहीं आया ना तो कसम से आप सबको ना ऐसे मार पड़ेगी।
Second, the sweet teacher and very, very lovely one.
Good morning, students. How you all are? How are you? Fine. कैसे सारे बच्चों? तो बच्चों आज हम रिवीजन करेंगे, ठीक है? आप you can refer to your books. आप बुक्स से देख के आप मुझे आंसर बता सकते हो, but in your own words. Okay? You are very good children. I'm very proud of you. Okay? So आपने जो टेस्ट किए हैं बेटा वो इतने अच्छे नहीं किए हैं. You need some improvement in your tests. Okay? और अगर your parents will ask from you about your test, so tell them that ma'am had not checked the test. ठीक है? Because I want 100% result. ठीक है ना? So you all have to do hard work. You are very good children. I am proud of you. Okay? So now all open your books. Very good children. You all are very good children. You are all very nice children. So open your page number 250 and Rupesh, start reading. Very good. So अब आज आप read करेंगे and next we will see the forward topic.
Third teacher is very, very punctual teacher.
इनको टाइम दिया था मैंने 9:50 का और अभी 9:51 हो गए हैं और इनमें से अब तक कोई नहीं पहुंचा। इनकी तो आज मैं परेड कराऊंगी। हाँ, एक चैप्टर दिया था ना, अब 2 चैप्टर का सरप्राइज टेस्ट होगा इनका। मैंने कहा इनको कि बी पंक्चुअल बिकॉज आई लव पंक्चुअल स्टूडेंट्स, because punctuality is the key to success. पर इनको कहाँ समझ? इनकी तो आज बहुत ज़्यादा बैन बचेगी। Poor students.
Fourth is the notebook checker.
कि students, so for आज मैं आपकी नोटबुक चेक करूंगी। पता है बेटा कि मैंने अभी कल ही आपकी की थी, बट आप लोग अपनी नोटबुक को प्रॉपर्ली मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे हो और मैंने आपको 5 क्वेश्चंस दिए थे फॉर योर होमवर्क। किस किस ने वो किए हैं? आपकी शक्ल से पता चल रहा है कि किसी ने नहीं किया। वो 5 क्वेश्चन आई वांट नाउ, और जितने भी क्वेश्चंस किए हैं, जैसे भी नोटबुक है मेंटेन, सेंड योर नोटबुक सेइंग अभी तो ऑफलाइन क्लास है, सॉरी मैं तो भूल ही गई। ये जो ऑनलाइन में हमने बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती की है ना, अब आपको पता चलेगा कि अगर ऑनलाइन में कुछ पढ़ा होता तो अभी ऑफलाइन में इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही होती। सो नाउ आई विल कलेक्ट all of your notebook. So now you all will give me a notebook. Yes, I'm coming to you, Mesh. Yes, I'm coming to you. Okay. And I have got only these much notebooks. Very less notebooks. क्यों? बस 4-5 बच्चों ने नोटबुक बनाई है, बाकी सारे they are sleepy. मैं इतनी नोटबुक्स तो चेक करूंगी नहीं. I want full strength notebook. Do you all understood? सिर्फ क्लास में आना, टीचर का लेक्चर सुनना, बस वहां से चले जाना. Teacher is teaching you, she is putting some efforts. So you should also put some efforts. Okay? So अब कल अगर नहीं हुए ना चेक बेटा, तो यही नोटबुक ना तुम्हारे मुंह पे मारूंगी मैं.
Fourth teacher is that who always gives moral lessons.
So students, before starting our chapter, I want to give you a moral lesson that you should always respect your parents. See, your parents, they are spending their money, not only their money. Your parents are not spending only their money, but also they are spending their trust on you. If they are spending their trust on you, so you should also spend some of your, you should not spend some, but 100% effort. What you have to do? Only study. Not study for gaining percentage or whatever. No, never study for that. Study for gaining knowledge. Study for doing hard work. Study in a proper way, in a systematically way. That how a person becomes a successful person. If your parents are spending their trust on you, spending their money on you, so you should also put some efforts. Okay? Before starting every lesson, every chapter, I give you every time a moral lesson. Because you know that we teachers are the builders of nation. And we have to build the upcoming, you can say, generation of nation. Upcoming nation. You are the, you can say, you are the person in the future, in the upcoming generation. You are going to work the nation. Because of you, our nation will get developed. So you are our future. You should be on a correct track. And if you will be on the correct track, so I will be proud of you. So students, this was our today lesson. And this was our today's moral lesson. Hope you understood it. And only this was for today. Hope you have gained some of the moral values from it. Because the education not only means to study the 5 subjects, but also to gain the moral values. Why a person is educated? Every person is educated because that person becomes sophisticated. That person gains some manners. That person becomes sophisticated, gains some manners, gains some moral values, because of which that person becomes a good human being, a good learner, a good thinker. You not only frame the answers, but you frame your future. And I know that you can frame your future better than any other. But just only respect 2 persons in your life. First, your mother and your father. First, your mother, father and your elder. Second, your teacher. Because teacher is that who whole life teaches you one lesson, one same lesson. She repeatedly teaches the same lessons every year to the same class. She never said that oh my god, I cannot teach this lesson again. I have taught this from the past 7 years. No. She teaches you, and after some years she gets retired from the post. But she never express her feelings to you because she never become weak in front of you. She teaches you, she gets retired at very less fee, but she will never teaches for the fee. She teaches for her passion, because the teacher is only one profession which creates all other profession. So if you want to be a good person in your life, a good person not only for the post but only as a good person, if you want to attain these type of things, so just respect your teacher, respect your parents. Thank you, and only this was today. This was for today. Hope you love it, and tata and bye bye. So guys, hope you liked my video. How was my video? Just comment in the comment box, and just आग लगा दो guys. आज मैंने teachers पे video बनाई है, and you should also respect your teachers. Yes, because teacher is only one profession which create all other professions. And if you respect teachers and your parent, then you will be a successful person. Thank you, and have a good day or good night, at whatever time you are watching this video. And lots of love from Yashika Fantasy World. Subscribe Yashika Fantasy World. Tata, bye bye, Shabak hai, namaskar, good night, la la la.